Hi, it's FlyTy and Jacinda for Compare Foods Charlotte. This year has been amazing, but 2021 is almost over. What happened to the year? It's gone by so fast. It seems like yesterday we was making Easter baskets, laying out by the pool, and hitting those piñatas.
Yeah.
But this is my absolute favorite time of the year. The holidays are upon us, like Christmas,
Thanksgiving,
Hanukkah.
Kwanzaa.
Oh, I love them all. And who can forget about Happy New Year? But it seems like the holidays may be a little different this year, Jacinda.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about it?
Oh my gosh, I feel amazing. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because we get to eat amazing food for the holidays.
Yeah,
That's
you're right.
what it's really about. Creating memories, being with friends and family, and having great food.
Speaking of food, I can't wait for Thanksgiving. You know, that's the time of the year we get to eat turkey and ham, tamales and pie. And what about Christmas? Do not let me open one present without my waffles and my bacon and my chicken and grits. You know, I love grits for breakfast.
I know. But you know what? Here at Compare Foods Charlotte, we want you to go beyond the basics, right? Beyond the traditional.
Yeah.
We have your favorite family recipes and even some new recipes to try, like FlyTy. Throw in some veggies like okra or cactus leaves or white sweet potatoes, right? To kind of spruce things up a bit. Or let's throw in some new seasonings like curry and jerk, coriander. Ooh, turmeric too is a great addition. You know, the holidays is all about friends, family, and a whole lot of great food.
That's right, and those special moments will be made around the dinner table with your family. So thank you for shopping all year long right here at Compare Foods Charlotte. So happy holidays from our family to yours.
And don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.